All right, here's some progress on the Waco. So I got the lettering or numbers put on. I also got the Waco logo on the tail and on the landing gear fairings, and then kind of had to do the BBT logo. Got the inner wing struts. No, they're not called inner wing struts. What are they called? Cabane struts. Got those cabanes glued in place. Cowl, motor, prop is on. Tail is on. Tail wheel's working. And then inside here, I've got a throttle and choke servo that goes with some carbon rods to the carburetor. My pump is right down there, and my ignition is right there. So I can get at my ignition through this port and just make sure that those screw fittings are nice and tight, and I can check that. So that's great. Thanks to JTAB, I've got the 1 liter fuel tank in, so that should be much better. What else have I done here? So I've made up my tonneau cover out of some leather. I still have to shrink this, but the tonneau cover is going to go over the front cockpit area. So working on that, and then I've got my windshield reshaped. So my windshield will go on like that. I still have to put the glass in, but it's coming nice. And I've got a pilot ordered for it. And then here on the wings, I got the ailerons hinged and glued in. And then I painted the hinges yellow with my airbrush. So they're working good. And I've got the covers in place now for the mounts. So there's covers here, and then same on the other wings too. Covers on both sides for the tabs for the inner wing struts. So coming along, I've got an order in as well for a bunch of Futaba servos for it. I've got an order with Thunderbolt for a bunch of fittings, and I can get the fittings done, and then I can put these vents on. I still have to finish this, but made up 2 guide tubes to go down to the needles to get the engine adjusted. So a bunch of little stuff. I'm not gonna put the center wing on yet until I get all this finished, get the tonneau cover on. I also got a bunch of aluminum tubing, which is gonna come out of here, and it goes up to holes in the center wing, and that'll carry my servo wires down so that I won't have any servo wires showing. Those are normally fuel lines. Oh yeah, and then over on this side, I still have to get my power box Mercury set up. I need to put a servo in here for my tail wheel. I'll put my power box Mercury. This is going to be my fuel fill, so I'll put a fuel dot in here and get all that set up. Then I got to do a CG check. So anyways, mainly waiting on a whole bunch of orders to come in. So it'll probably be a couple weeks still, but it is coming along.